For years, we've been hearing whispers about Apple working on a foldable. Leaks, concepts, patents. Most of it felt like pure speculation. But now suddenly, something like this shows up, and it actually feels real. This is the iPhone Fold, and I'm not even exaggerating when I say this could be one of the biggest changes to the iPhone ever. So, let's get into it. You open the box, and yeah, it's still very Apple. Clean, minimal, no unnecessary drama. But this time, there's a bit more tension in the air because you know this isn't just another iPhone. And there it is, sitting right on top. First impression, it's surprisingly low-key. Apple hasn't gone flashy here. It almost looks like it's trying to blend in. You pick it up, and when it's folded, it genuinely feels like a normal iPhone. Slim, polished, very familiar. If you didn't know what you were holding, you might not even question it. But there's something slightly different in the feel. The weight, the balance, it hints that there's more going on. Now, before we go any further, we're still not 100% sure if what we're looking at here is a final production unit or just a really polished prototype. But honestly, it looks very Apple, like almost too real to ignore. Either way, we're probably just a few months away from seeing the official version. And if that's the case, one thing feels pretty certain. The final product is going to look very close to this. And then comes the moment. You unfold it. And yeah, this is where everything changes. The hinge is the first thing that stands out. It's not stiff, not loose, just perfectly controlled. Smooth in that very Apple way where it feels engineered down to the smallest detail. No weird creaks, no resistance, just a clean, confident motion. And as it opens, the display just comes alive. What you're holding instantly shifts from a phone to something that feels much bigger. Almost like a mini tablet sitting right in your hands. And that transition? It's kind of addictive. One second it's pocketable, the next it's expansive, and that's when it really hits you. This isn't just Apple making a foldable phone. This is Apple quietly redefining what an iPhone can be. Now, I'm really curious what you think about this. Is this something you'd actually use, or does it still feel a bit too early? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. I'll be reading through them. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.